save you money, lifestyle, beauty, the whole bang. Playing it
Paying
forward. Have
it
you heard of
forward,
that?
not
Do you ever use
playing.
that
Even
in your
though we
life?
do like to play, and playing it could
I
be
am
very
an
good, but
advocate of
paying
playing it
it,
forward.
sorry.
The energy you get back, you know, is amazing. We all are here for service. So if it's my smile, if it's a thank you, if it's helping someone with their bags, it is a joy, and the gift you give is undescribable. I had a contest for my favorite cosmetic company, and I was giving away the Surratt eyelash curler, and I was blessed to meet Kalia. She was one of my Bellas that won, and we, you know, started to chat and get to know each other, which is the true reason why I do this YouTube. I don't claim to be a professional. I am a professional in what I do in beauty and makeup and fashion, but this whole techie side, I'm an amateur, but I will get better, and I'm getting better, so just stay tuned. But I want to keep this channel real and comfortable and inviting. It's not scripted. I have in my mind a little bit outline of what I want to talk about, but as I said, it's us hanging out. We bonded, me and Kalia, and she said out the blue, I want to send you something. And I'm like, no, girl, you don't have to. No, that was from my heart. I sent you, you know, your goodies out of my heart, and I'm grateful, you know, to met you. She says, no, my heart is telling me. And that just, at that moment, just girl power for one. We rule the world, as Beyonce said. Thank you, my girl, my DJ, the queen. But no, seriously, it just touched my soul. It made me want to play it forward even more. Share with you my little secrets on how I like to change people's day and life by just doing the smallest little things. Daily, I make a choice, even if I'm feeling not my best and my best state of mind, I make a choice to make a positive example. And if I'm not in that positive stream, I'm diving into people and words and prayer and meditation to get me in that space. So I like to smile. I like to do basic things, give a person a hug, tell them what they mean to me. That's very important. And you don't know what they're going through, as I said, and that could make a huge impact in their lives. So playing it forward. She's playing it forward. So Kalia, I played it forward in honor of you today with a stranger I met at the gas station. Something just small and kind, just to maybe make a smile and a difference in their day. So I want to show you this gift bag of goodies she has sent me. My first, you know, gift from my Bellas, and this is not why I'm doing this. So this was such a treat, and it just touched my heart. I feel like she knows me. She knows what I like. I got some great MAC products, and I don't really have a lot of MAC products, so this was a fun treat. She got me this medium plus sheer mystery powder, and it's very sheer. It reminds me of the, you know, the Laura Mercier's. Even it's silky and creamy. It's similar to a lot of the finer powders, and it's translucent, and the texture is there. So this is great for touching up, and it's lightweight and heavy. The compact is gorgeous. It's like a diamond or a little sparkle. I love it. She also got me a refill, which is perfect. I mean, this is just such a great powder to touch up under the eyes. You want something sheer and light and effortless. I usually like to T-zone it. So this is how I would use this powder. So I have a powder compact, a great mirror, and a refill. Bella, are you a beauty girl? I know you're a beauty girl, but I feel like you're in the business as well. You definitely have great style. I'm going to put her link to her Instagram because she's a beautiful girl living in New York, you know, that Sex in the City girl. Great. Her life seems very fun and filled and bright and colorful. And, you know, we all have our things that we're going through, and we related and we connected. And I just want you to know you're doing everything right. Keep on shining. Keep being yourself. Know yourself. Stay strong. Be patient. And everything is going to happen that you ever wanted. I promise you, girl. I promise you. I'm vibing you. She also gave me this beautiful gold creamy pencil in like a 24 karat gold. Very soft, the self, sharpen. I like this for the corner of the eye. Can you see, Bellas? There you go. It's very sheer gold, so it'll be very subtle and not heavy, like, highlight in the corner. It'll just kind of give a nice glisten to open up the eye and, give some warmth, some gold. Love that. I also got this Kohl Long Lasting Stick Pencil 8 Hours by, this is number 21, Kiko Makeup Milano. I've never heard of it, so I'm excited to try this, and this is the color. It's like a peachy. I'm really into peach, corals, bronze. Sorry, my night lighting is not the best, but I would use this on my lid. Pop it all over my lid and maybe bring it even underneath for some warmth and, texture and a little bit of a dewiness, and put mascara on it. And you can put shadows on top, of course, and it'll give you that longevity. Kevyn Aucoin, as you know, I love Kevyn Aucoin. She got me this great, bright, beautiful pink blush. Don't be afraid, Bellas. This is not a scary color. Believe it or not, it can work with all skin tones. But this is very youthful, and I put it on bright so you can see the pigment, great pigment. I love it on the eyes, on the cheeks. This is a go-to. I love this color. And I have one already, so this is a great backup. Last but not least, this is my decade. This is my era. The glossy eyes. We used to do this in the 90s, late 90s. We would put Vaseline and eyeliner to give us that smoky grunge look. Well, MAC has an eye gloss, and this is a black, and it's called Spank Me. Black with a little bit of glitter inside of it. If you see. So this would be hot for a nice smoky eye, great for my kid as well, great for editorial. And then we have a beautiful pearl varnish, and this is the clear. I've been playing with it with opalescent sparkle. Really pretty for Cabo and for the girls that I'll do in Cabo for the wedding. You see that opalescence? Isn't that pretty on the lid at the beach? Put a little of that on the eyes, and it's okay if it creases up because you're at the beach, and the little, blush and lipstick, and it's just that pretty mermaid glowy skin. I love it. I love all of these wonderful products. Bella, you spoiled me royally. I feel like you know me, you know my style, you know my jam. I will use these products, and you touch my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will continue to spread the word. I will continue to play it forward. We are here to be in service. It's all gonna come back to you. I got all of this wonderful energy this week. Kalia, my new Bellas. I mean, just nothing but positive, and I believe it's because I'm putting it out there and I'm doing something right. I need to keep on pressing, keep on doing what I'm doing, and guess what? It is gonna spread pretty soon. All YouTube is gonna be like, no, here, no, here. Oh, no. I like this video. I support you. You are great. You are number one. Let's be together. Let's learn from each other. Let's embrace each other. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my story. I'm so excited for my new friends. I'll talk to you girls soon. I hope to meet new ones. I want you to come back. Let's hang out. Let's keep on doing some great things together, Bellas. First of all, you have to smile. Smile, smile, smile. Everybody needs to see that smile. Cheers, Bellas. Bye.